नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis, Srimahans, Mahants, Tanedar Kotari, visitors, viewers, everyone sitting with us all over the world. Through Nityananda TV and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. Cities sitting with us, a huge list. So I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, getting ready for Mahasadashivoham initiation. The festival air, the festival space has already started. With Ganesha starts the festival season. Ganesha has brought the festive spirit and season, and the whole energy is different now, getting ready for Mahasadashivoham. All I wanted to tell you all, understand this simple truth. Unless we do by ourselves physically, we will not be able to cognize in our depth, and we will never be able to make others do. Listen carefully. Whether it is medicine, engineering, law, accounts, teaching, doing puja, alankar, Goshala, administration, politics, unless you do, you will not be able to cognize that in your depth, including construction. Understand? These are unfailing formulas. Unless you do, you will not gather energy to transmit the knowledge, to transmit the understanding, to transmit the clarity. If you don't transmit the clarity, you will not be able to make others move. It is law of life. Whether you are going to drive a vehicle, drive a team, or inspire a group, or going to sit and meditate, Only if you have done, you will be able to cognize in your depth and you will be able to start moving. If you have not done, you will not be able to move others. All failures is when you have not done and you are trying to move others. When you have not done and you are trying to move others, it will only result in conflicts. Because you will be too superficial. You will be too superficial. I have seen, if somebody has not lived a sannyas life and if they start initiating people into sannyas, there is so much of conflict disciples go through, and nobody is able to attend or solve their problems, because you need to be wet. You need to get into the ground, get wet or get dirty in the ground. Only then your depth will cognize what it is. And then, if you initiate, you will know where you need to train, where they need to take responsibility. Fundamentals will be clear. Fundamentals will be clear. Understand? Whether you are going to do construction or you are going to do social media work, or you are going to do Goshala, or you are going to do cooking, or you are going to do accounting, anything. Anything. Unless you do it, you enter into the scene, you do it on your own, and cognize it in your depth, you will not be able to make others do. Understand this fundamental principle. I am seeing in our Sangha, whatever I have done it personally, only that I am able to make others do. Whatever I have done it personally, whether puja or publication or doing alankara or construction, because I did it personally, because I am in the scene, I can cognize the depth. I am able to make others do. Understand? Wherever I did not do personally, I have to sit and do it, have that cognition, only then I'll be able to do it. I'll be able to make others do it. When you are doing hard work, your brain evolves a method to do it very easily. That is called smart work. Smart work can never be taught. It has to be picked up by you while doing hard work. It's the law of life. Smart work cannot be picked up from others directly. Only when you do hard work, the cognitions will evolve to do smart work. That is the only way you will learn smart work, not otherwise. Let's start. the celebration of Mahasadashivoham. Yes. With this, let's get ready for the celebration. And today, get ready for the next level initiation. So I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.